Hello from Jeju City, guys. We are getting our workout in. We're walking around just checking out what's nearby the hotel. It's basically a lot of shopping. Definitely does not feel like Jeju Island, but we are yeah, I'm a little bit surprised. I don't know, I think I was just expecting something very islandy, but yeah, we are just going around walking uphill, and then we're gonna go stop at a black pork place that I am excited for. After walking like around who knows where, we found our spot. Oh my god, I am so ready for some black pork. It's so cool here, guys. There's so many people. You guys, our pork is here. Oh! That is technique right there. That was just pure fat. Right, so... Yay! Thank you for buying. You guys hear that sizzle? We are ready to eat. Apparently Jeju City has a lot of uphill that my calves were not ready for. So I am totally ready to dig into this. It was so nice. They even bought mom's special Jeju. Not Jeju. They bought her special soju. You guys, it's Jeju black pork. Main difference, Jeju black pork is way more tender, way more juicier, definitely more flavorful too. And when it's cooked like this, and it's toasted, all that fat, oh my gosh, you get that amazing crunch. And then you add a little bit of kimchi, or a little bit of the bean sprouts that have also been toasted and cooked in the fat. Ah, it's a powerful combo, guys. We've got that black pork barbecue glow. Alright, we're ending the night with some tea and some cake. Thanks so much for watching, friends. Good night. It's folding door time! Let's go! Let's go! Okay. Okay, it's coffee time. We've got cheesecake, double chocolate muffin, hot dog because you know you need that balance in your life. Then we've got coffee and a sweet potato latte. Oh man! Good morning, friends.
Good morning.
It's another pretty day here in Jeju. So first we're just cafeing, and then we're gonna do a little bit of cafe hopping by a beach that's nearby Jeju City. Because apparently Jeju is a big island, and I was not aware that things can be about an hour away. So there's a beach that's I think about 30 minutes, he said, right? 30 minutes. And there's a bunch of like cafes there, and then we're gonna go to a traditional market later, and we'll let you know how it goes. The beach is pretty, but it's a lot smaller than I expected, and there's like construction going on, so it's not the most aesthetic. We want to go to the lighthouse, so we might grab a taxi. Let's see. Okay, this cafe is absolutely gorgeous. Get ready. Okay, well before she was taking pictures of me, she was taking pictures of the chairs. Aesthetic.
I want to bring it home.
It's yummy. Okay, so right after breakfast we went straight for another cafe after walking on the beach. Cafe Ihodong. It's like just right in the corner. It's actually at the parking lot of the beach.
Yeah,
Isn't it cool?
it's really nice. The place is unique.
Yeah, that's true.
All
It's
the drinks.
yeah. I think it's like an old home that turned into a cafe, no? It's really cool. And then like even these, like they're not like just wood, but they look like bark, you know? And then it's like old wallpaper, you know? And then the floors are like totally hardwood, you know? I love it in here. And it's outside, it's really pretty too. So we're gonna take more pictures outside.
And the stuff, the people are really nice.
Actually, yeah, that's true. They're very helpful too.
Our
Actually,
drinks,
truth. So we are at the Dongmun Traditional Market. I think it's primarily a fish market. It's pretty cool. There's a lot of like different kinds of fish, all kinds of fish I've never seen before. Ooh. Oh, and it's way more huge than I actually expected it to be. Pro tip number 1, don't wear long pants because the floor is very wet. No joke, the options here are endless. Yeah. And the best part is, they're all really cheap. Like sashimi plates for $10, my heart is crying. The only thing is that right now I don't really find a lot of spots to eat. There are only 2 places that we saw where you could eat, and they're like the traditional Korean style where you sit down on the floor. But there were only 2 out of this like entire street. So I'm not sure if there's another part of the market that we're missing that maybe has like an actual place where you can pick up these plates and eat them. But I think we're gonna go ahead and have some fresh seafood, traditional Korean style. What was the squid? I've never seen squid this big in my entire life. Oh, sashimi.
No sashimi.
We have found our spot. So all you do is pick up your sashimi and you walk in. You guys, do you see this?
Yep.
Oh my goodness. Not only is it fresh sashimi, but it is super, super cheap for this plate. I am one hippie girl. Hey guys. This is our ultimate favorite. Oh wow. That is so fresh. That is so good. I love it. And we got shrimp. Oh yeah. Very easily. Or if you're ever in Jeju and you have a chance to try these shrimps, do it. You will not regret it. Hi, Pa. We were just saying we might just get a round 2. Especially of the shrimp, it's so good, guys. Apparently, we're not that full yet. Second round! We're hungry. Oh no, it's getting foggy. Wow. Mine is here. Noodles with pork. Or pork-based seafood noodles. Another day at the airport. We're saying bye-bye Jeju. Hello to another adventure.